Hello friends, my name is Amir Hamza. Friends, there are many platforms for online earning, but Gramfree site is the easiest site for online earning. Friends, it has a 4 or 5 steps which helps to make a money. It is a free lottery referral or video steps. First step is a free. In this free we can get a free grants. It is the first steps to make a money. In these steps we get a free grants. Second step is a lottery. You can play a lottery and maybe win a lottery. Third is a referral. We can invite our friends and make money fast. Third is a video. We can watch video and also upload videos in these sites. Fourth is a smart contracts. It is the last steps for online earning in these Gramfree sites. In these steps we do sign in and also confirm the request. So friends, thank you for